Today, we have with us Shri Deenababu Kundubatla, the Chief Operating and Financial Officer of University of Silicon Andhra for the past 12 plus years. During this period, he focused on several critical initiatives and compliance with federal and state regulations and taxes. He is also the Dean of Sampada, affiliated to Potti Sri Ramulu University. He has been serving Manabadi in the role of Vice President for the last 8 years and is a key leader for its success. He is a strong technologist with 20 plus years of experience with successful Silicon Valley companies. Please welcome Shri Deenababu Kundubatla on the stage to felicitate Niyati and Shri. Thank you.
Good evening, everyone. What a day today. I came here from California, but now I look back, I was debating whether to come or not. Now I am thinking what I would have missed if I wouldn't have been here today. What a performance. Congratulations, Niyati. What a performance. I attend a lot of Arangetams, Rangapravesams, but normally this level of performance, the students, when they are into junior year or senior year, they get that kind of maturity. Niyati, she's a 9th grader, and the way she depicted Lord Hanuma in her Shabdam, and the kind of rasas she played in her Varnam, what an amazing performance. I am really, really thrilled, and I am fortunate, I am very honored to have you here. And I'm also proud because Niyati is our student too from Sampada. She graduated in junior certificate in Bharatanatyam, exam conducted by Potti Sri Ramulu University, Hyderabad, in affiliation with Silicon Andhra. Many of you know Silicon Andhra is an international organization, has been in existence for more than 18 years. We have broken 9 Guinness World Records. The Silicon Andhra is established to promote Indian fine arts, so music or dance. We have been in existence for the last 18 years, but not even a single instance we entertained the movie content on our platform. Our goal is to promote the Indian fine arts, Indian literature, tradition and culture to the next generation. I am fortunate again that I am here today, and I want to really thank Sri Garu for inviting me to witness this program today. Sri Garu, I have to tell something about her. When we started Sampada, Silicon Andhra Music Performing Arts and Dance Academy, we just started with 40-50 students. Today we have 2,000 students, and there are 170 schools are participating in the program. But Sri Lakshmanan Garu, she is the first Bharatanatyam teacher from Texas State affiliated with this program, and she encourages her students to appear for the exams. Silicon Andhra will always remember this. Silicon Andhra tomorrow might reach the stage that there are 10,000 students in Sampada, like how we have it in Manabadi today. Manabadi is another program, Telugu learning program, very successful program, started with 150 students in 2007. Today we have more than 10,600 students. Across the country, in 35 states, there are more than 2,000 volunteers working. So why I'm telling all these things? We are staying thousands of miles away from our home country, but there are gurus like Sri Garu nurturing our students, next generation, to take this art form, to carry forward this art form to the next generation. And this is a great thing. I also wanted to say something. I talk to a lot of parents and teachers on weekly basis. And a lot of times I hear, my kid is in high schooler, he is in 9th grade, 10th grade, oh, she has a lot to do. She can't take one more task like this. Look at Niyati. She is good in academics. I have looked at her profile. She is into horse riding. She is into vocal, learning Carnatic vocal. She is in Bharatanatyam. She also appeared for the certification. If somebody want to write a case study, somebody want to do the case study on the time management, Niyati is the perfect example. If there is a will, there is a way always. That's what elders say. So with that, I don't want to take much of your time because it is her show, her performance. Let us invite her again back. Before that, I want to take this opportunity to give a small memento on behalf of Silicon Andhra Music Performing Arts and Dance Academy because she is our proud student today, performing today. I request Niyati, Sri Garu and Ram Garu to be on the dais, please. I want to read this out before presenting. Silicon Andhra Music Performing Arts and Dance Academy presents Niyati Ram on the wonderful occasion of your Bharatanatyam Arangetram. Silicon Andhra would like to recognize you for your outstanding accomplishment in Bharatanatyam art form. We wish you all the success in your future endeavors.